How to save a file on Canva mobile app. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do so. First of all, you have to launch your Canva application and get logged into your specific Canva account. Now, in order to save a file, let's go ahead and start working on a file. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and select a recent design. Now, once you're done editing your image and if you would like to save it, here is what you can do. You have to simply tap onto your image. You will see various options from below and also above. Now, in order to download this specific image, what you can do is you can tap on this share button on your top right hand side. Make sure that you are tapping on this share icon and not this download icon. So tap on share and it will give you an option that says download. You have to simply tap on download. Select if you would like to save it as PNG or JPG. Once you do so, simply tap on download. And likewise, once it's done preparing your design, you will find it in your gallery section. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.